Welcome to the binary brick, where 99% of the comments are, "It looks so real." Well, of course it's real. What am I doing?
Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at a tutorial of a custom set, which of course is based off of the LEGO Ninjago Room Showdown set, which is coming out later this summer. It has been incredibly highly requested, and of course this is kind of just my take on the set. I wanted to create a custom version, and whilst it is quite accurate to the official set, there are obviously some differences and a couple of like small play features that I added in just to make things a little bit different, a little bit more interesting. For any of you interested in the figures of this set, you guys can go check out the showcase video for this if you guys want to see that. I'll put a card in the corner. So if you guys do enjoy the tutorial build, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for future content. And yeah, let's get right into the tutorial. So thanks everybody for watching this tutorial video. If you guys enjoyed this style of video and want to see more, then make sure to, of course, like the video and subscribe to support my channel. So thanks for watching this video again, and yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video.